napakabilis at napakaganda ng resulta. Talagang may resulta talaga. 100% yung result na maganda at masasabi ko talaga na this agency is talagang you are the one who are looking for ng mga may mga pangarap para sa pamilya talaga.
Billy, I'm Dale and I'll be conducting your interview testimonial for the services you availed here at GST Visa Consultancy. First of all, congratulations on behalf of
Yes, sir.
GST.
Thank you so much po.
Grateful that you chose us to be part of your journey, and we'd love to feature your story to inspire others. With that, I just have a few questions for you. Una po is, kamusta po kayo?
Okay lang po, sir. I'm good right now. As of the moment, I'm so very happy. Actually, nasa cloud9 ako dahil which is yun po yung pinagdarasal natin this past few days. And of course, binigay po ni Lord sa atin yung hinihiling natin. That's why I'm so very happy. I'm so very happy talaga.
Thank you po, and again, congratulations. Can you briefly describe your experience with the services that we offer here at GST?
Yes, sir. But prior to that, sir, I just want to give you an overview on paano ko nakilala ang GST Pampanga. So, ni-refer po kayo ng isa nyo ring clients na tinulungan din ng GST Pampanga. Tinanong po ninyo kung ano yung background ko. So, during the meeting, you discussed kung ano yung mga services ng GST Pampanga, and I'm so very impressed with that. Kasi talagang yun po yung hinahanap ko na guidance na mag-guide sa akin. So, while you are discussing your program and services, nasabi ko sa sarili ko with my wife, nasabi namin ng wife ko na ito yung hinahanap natin kasi ito yung guidance na kailangan natin. I'm so very thankful po sa GST Pampanga. Sabi ko nga, sa challenges ko sa GST, I don't have any challenges kasi honestly, kayo pa yung GST Pampanga pa yung parang nagbo-bombard na, sir, ano na, ganito ang gagawin natin, sir, ganito na. Yun, parang ako, feeling ko talagang yung guidance ninyo, yung support ninyo is nandun. That's why in terms of challenges, I don't see any challenges. I don't experience any challenges. At masasabi ko na itong GST Pampanga is, of course, the best consultant agency na pwede nating i-refer talaga na pwedeng makakapag-guide talaga na hindi lang pwede kundi kayo yung mga hinahanap talaga ng mga Pilipino na gustong maabot talaga ng kanilang mga pangarap tulad ko. No words can express how grateful I am because GST support me, guide me, and help me towards my goal in life. I'm safe with you guys because I feel your guidance, I feel your presence, sir. Yan po.
Thank you, Sir Billy's, for your kind words. And here at GST, we are really happy that we have accommodated your concerns, and we are really happy that we have served you well sa mga services that we have.
Napakabilis at napakaganda ng resulta. Talagang may resulta talaga. 100% yung result na maganda at masasabi ko talaga na this agency is talagang you are the one who are looking for ng mga may mga pangarap para sa pamilya talaga.
Thank you po, Sir Billy, again sa inyong magandang feedback sa amin here at GST. Siguro, ano na lang po may a-advise nyo sa iba naman na nagsusearch din ng ganitong klaseng services?
Yeah. So, yung may advice ko po sa mga naghahanap din po ng talagang maaasahan, talagang may care na talagang worth it yung ibibigay nating tiwala is I encourage you, of course, to accept the support and the service of the GST because I consider as a living proof. Opo, I'm considered as a living proof na experience ko kung gaano kaganda. I know you don't know who really I am. Hindi nyo po ako kilala, but I have 100% na mai-recommend ko po to sa inyo. I highly recommend po please, you go with GST consultant agency, and I assure you, you won't regret because it is very worth it po yung trust na ibibigay po ninyo. And you are in good hands po.
Thank you for sharing your story with us, and thank you also for recommending us to your friends and your family.
Yes po, kumbaga, direct to the point, okay po, I'm so much, kumbaga, 100% satisfied po sa service po ng GST Pampanga.
Maraming salamat po, sir.